Welcome to City Grillin'. My name is Rob Bohr, and in this episode, I'm going to use the Phillips air fryer to cook some hot dogs. And it's real simple, it's easy. I've preheated the air fryer to 390 degrees, and now I'm going to set it for, I think, 5 minutes. That's all it's going to take. And I have two Nathan all beef hot dogs here. I prefer them the best, and I'm not a big hot dog fan at all. But I definitely like these hot dogs. They're skinless. So I'll go ahead and just set them in the basket. Go ahead and shut it and turn it on for 5 minutes. And about midway through, I just might shake the basket a little bit, and we'll show that. Just going to take a quick look at the hot dogs. They're doing just fine. I don't know that I really even need to rotate them or anything yet. They look perfectly fine in there. So go ahead and shut it up and let it finish cooking. Seconds here in the air fryer. And let's take a look at these dogs. Oh wow, those look beautiful. I'm not a huge hot dog fan again, but that looks great. All right, I'll go ahead and pull these out. And what I'll do is, I have some buns. Before I put in the bun, I'll go ahead and stick the buns in here. Just 2 of them right now. And I think I'll lower the temperature a bit. Let's say 300. I'll only cook them for a minute or less. I'm just gonna watch it, heat them up, and pull them out here in just a second. 1 second here for the buns. We'll take a look at that. Oh yeah, that's nice and warm. That's perfect. That's the way I like it. I'll go ahead and put the hot dog in there and get ready to serve these up. This bun actually came apart. Not a big deal. Nothing like a good hot dog. Now I like a good slaw dog, so I'd actually put some coleslaw on mine, just like that. You can put whatever you like, mustard, ketchup, onions, relish, it doesn't matter. Give it a try. If you have one of these air fryers, you're gonna like it. And it's plenty hot. I don't want to take a bite because I'm going to burn my tongue. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and get the recipe at citygrillin.com. Thanks.